This may seem like a minor issue, but it can actually be very dangerous and is quite common among ring users. Without realizing it, the ring we wear can sometimes become extremely difficult to remove. If you ever face this situation, never rush to cut the ring. Just imagine, if the ring is made of gold, its resale value will drop drastically. The first solution we usually try is removing the ring with the help of soapy water. Now, I'm going to try taking off this ring using that method. Let's see if it works. What actually happened is that my finger started to swell, making the ring even harder to remove. Now, to remove it, the first thing you need is a small-sized string. Here, I'm using an old mask strap. This string is thin and stretchy, which makes it very easy to work with. Insert the string under the ring that is stuck on your finger. For better results, you can apply some lotion to the finger before starting to help the ring slide off more smoothly. From which country are you watching this video? Write it in the comments to let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all around the world. After applying the lotion, wrap the long string around your finger. Hold the end of the string that has been inserted under the ring with your finger to keep it in place. To make sure it doesn't slip, you can secure the tip of the string with some tape. Once the tip of your finger is secured with tape, it's time to start the ring removal process. Gently pull the string that has been inserted under the ring while wrapping it around your finger. This will automatically push the ring outward. In addition to pushing the ring off, the string also compresses the finger, preventing the skin from swelling. This makes it much easier for the ring to slide off. Look, the ring came off so easily without hurting the finger. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and join our community, because we'll keep sharing many more creative ideas and useful tips. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really motivates us to create even more exciting content. Also, share this video with your friends or family. Who knows, this tip might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.